Hello and welcome back, folks. What we're making today are these wonton dumplings coated in a spicy Sichuan chili oil. This is a famous street food that you can make at home without any difficulty. I'll show you how to make both the wontons and the chili oil flavoring. So if you're ready, let's go! We'll make the filling first, so put in 300 grams of minced pork into a mixing bowl. Add in 1 beaten egg, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and also half a teaspoon of sugar, which I forgot to film. Get your disposable gloves on and give it a good mix. Next, stir in 3 tablespoons of chicken stock, 1 tablespoon at a time. Wait until each spoonful is incorporated in before adding in the next. To make the dumplings, take one of the sheets of the ready-made wonton wrappers and place in your hand. Place a portion of the filling in the center and wet the edges of the wrapper using a finger dipped in a bowl of water. Fold over to make a triangle and using a dab of water again, place on one of the corners and fold and pinch over to the other corner. You should be able to get about 30 dumplings using the amount of filling made. To make the chili oil, heat up 150 milliliters of sunflower oil and add in 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes only as it burns easily, then strain. Place the chili oil into a serving container and add in 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger and 1 tablespoon of grated garlic. One teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of toasted sesame seeds. Cook the wontons in some boiling water. They take about 5 minutes to cook and will float to the top. Remove with a slotted spoon. Serve the wontons by drizzling over the chili oil and garnishing with some spring onions. You can also sprinkle on some more soy sauce and some optional rice vinegar, which goes great with these wontons. I hope that you enjoy making this recipe, everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.